Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this. This is a multifunction automatic liquid transfer pump. And I need to open it up. And let's go ahead and we're going to try this out. It's going to take 4 AA batteries to make it work. Looks like it's going to have a USB thing as well. So let's go ahead and see what we've got here. So here it is. It says auto transfer fuel pump. And let's see, we can open that up, put in some batteries. Okay, and we have batteries in our pump. Okay, so here it is. So it looks like the way it's gonna work is it's gonna suck from this end and spit out this end. So it looks like it can go, this is like different adapter caps for our different gas cans and things like that. Right now, we're just gonna go ahead and give this thing just a try and see what happens when we do it. This will screw onto the cap here, you know, onto the gas can. This can, and it does a different adapters for it. We can just go ahead and try turning it on here. And there it is. Look at that, wow, that's putting out a lot of water. Not sure what this is. Oh, this is so we can clip it onto something. So I could clip it on there, and it's just gonna sit there and rotate my water from my pump to my pump, from my bucket to my bucket. So you can see it puts out a lot of water here. Look at this here. It's 3.8 gallons a minute, I think is what it said. So that is cool. So it just sits there and goes. I could pull this out and see. Just finishes up. So that's it there. So start back up again, click off, and then just drain. Looks like it'll just drain on out. There it is. And it's emptied out. How cool is that? So there we go. So now I have myself a nice transfer pump. So if I need to transfer gas from a gas can, or which it'll work for that, but I'll probably be using it for different water, different activities here, filling up my hydroponic towers and things like that. Just be able to walk around with a bucket to fill them up instead of having to pour them from watering cans. So this is going to make it easier. Actually, I'll probably get a gas can and just use that filled with water to do that. There, even better. Thumbs up, really cool.